Let's attempt to create this heart animation in SwiftUI using Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Grok 3 and determine which one is the best. We begin with Grok 3. Over here, I added this prompt to create a SwiftUI animation of the heart icon, and the animation should be triggered anytime a user taps the heart icon. So using Grok 3, I used the deep search feature and it went through 20 sources and came up with this solution. Over here, it gave an explanation for the various sections and how each part of the animation works. In the end, it generated this code. So there was an error in this code. If I scroll down further, I stated fix these errors. So there were these two errors. Let's scroll down further to see the improved code. So this is the improved version of the code generated by Grok 3. Let's copy the code and go to Xcode. I will add a new file here and call it xlike. Let's remove everything here except the preview and paste it and change content view to xlike. With the improved version of the code generated by Grok, there were still some errors. Over here you have seen I wanted to fix this error and it went ahead to give a solution, but still there were more errors introduced into the code. Due to more errors in the code generated by Grok 3, I wanted to use Claude 3.5 Sonnet instead. So I went to Cursor and added the same prompt. Over here you have noticed I used Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So this is the first version of the code and there was still some errors. If I scroll down further, you have noticed there I added this statement to fix the error. It gave an improved version of the code. So let's copy the final version of the code and try it in Xcode. Let's delete the previous one and add a new file. We call this one heart animation. I will select everything here and paste it and remove this part. So now everything is working fine. So we have our beautiful heart animation generated by Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The improved version of the code generated by Grok 3 introduced more errors, so we gave up.